Have you ever tried getting out of bed in the morning and your legs felt like they weren't fully there? Or maybe you stood up from a chair and for a split second, your knees shook almost like they could give way. Has this ever happened to you? If it has, you're not alone. After 60, millions of seniors quietly struggle with weak muscles, and most people don't even realize how dangerous it can be. Because muscle loss doesn't just make you tired, it steals your confidence, your balance, and your independence, one small moment at a time. Let me paint a picture. Maybe you used to walk long distances, but now you get tired halfway. Maybe you used to climb the stairs easily, but now you find yourself holding the rail tighter than before. Or maybe you've noticed something scarier. Your legs feel unstable, your steps feel shorter, and you've started avoiding certain activities because you don't feel safe anymore. Let me know in the comments if you felt this way. The truth is, weak muscles after 60 can lead to catastrophic consequences. Doctors warn that muscle loss is one of the leading causes of sudden falls, hip fractures, slow recovery after illness, poor mobility, and early loss of independence. But here's the part no one tells you. You don't need a gym, you don't need expensive supplements, and you definitely don't need harsh workouts to turn this around. In fact, there is one simple daily move, safe, gentle, and scientifically backed, that can help seniors rebuild strength faster than many gym exercises, improve balance, protect your joints, and boost your overall mobility. And yes, you can do it right at home. No equipment needed. Stick around, the best tip is coming in just a minute. Because in this video, I'll show you why senior muscles weaken faster than younger adults, the hidden danger most seniors overlook, and the exact daily move that activates your deep muscle fibers, rebuilds stability, and strengthens your legs in ways most workouts can't. Plus, at the end of the video, I'll share a bonus trick that multiplies your results in just 7 days. So make sure you watch till the end. This could be the difference between struggling to stand and walking strong and confident again. Remember to support us by liking the video, subscribe to Green Health Channel, and turn on your notification. Why muscles get weak after 60? Explained simply. As we age, something quietly happens inside the body. Around age 30, we slowly begin to lose muscle. But after 60, this muscle loss speeds up dramatically, a condition doctors call sarcopenia. Most seniors don't notice it at first. Maybe your legs feel a little heavier. Maybe your arms get tired quicker. Maybe you don't walk as fast as you used to. But over time, this turns into difficulty climbing stairs, shaky legs, weak grip strength, poor balance, back and joint pain, and slow reaction time. And here's the dangerous part. Weak muscles don't just make you tired, they affect your entire life. When your leg muscles weaken, your balance becomes unstable. When your core weakens, your spine struggles to support you. When your glute muscles shrink, every step becomes stressful on your knees and hips. That's why seniors fall so easily. And one fall can change everything. Has this happened to someone you know? Let me know in the comments. But here's the good news, and this is what most seniors never hear. Your muscles can grow back fast at any age, even at 60, 70, or 80. Research shows seniors can rebuild strength twice as fast as expected if they activate the right muscle fibers the correct way. And that's exactly what this one daily move does. Stick around. I'm about to show you the move, and at the end, I'll reveal a bonus trick that doubles your results in just 7 days. The one daily move that rebuilds senior muscle fast. The move is called the wall sit, also known as the invisible chair. It looks simple, but it's one of the most powerful no-gym exercises for seniors. Here's why it works. It strengthens your quads, the main muscle for standing and walking. It activates your glutes, which protect your hips. It stabilizes the knees, reducing pain.
It builds core strength without floor exercises, and it trains your balance muscles, preventing falls. Most gym machines only target one area, but this one move works 5 major muscle groups at once, safely and gently. How to do the wall sit, senior safe version. Stand with your back against a wall. Slide down slightly as if sitting on a chair. Stop where it's comfortable. Keep your feet shoulder width apart. Hold this position for 10 to 20 seconds. Slowly stand back up. You don't need to go low. You don't need to force anything. Even a small bend works wonders. If you feel your legs warming up, that's your muscles waking back to life. Try it while watching the video. Pause and give it a go. Has this move surprised you? Tell me in the comments. Why this move works better than most gym exercises. Here's the secret. After 60, your fast-twitch muscle fibers, the ones responsible for strength and stability, become harder to activate. But the wall sit forces them to fire, even if your muscles are weak, even if you haven't exercised in years. That's why seniors feel stronger in just a few days. And because it's a static hold, it's gentle on knees, hips, back, ankles. You get all the strength-building benefits with almost zero impact. This is why physiotherapists love this move for seniors. Stick around. Next, I'll show you how many seconds to hold for real results. How long should seniors hold the wall sit? Here's a simple guide. Beginner, 10 seconds 2 times a day. Stable senior, 20 seconds 2 times a day. Strong senior, 30 seconds 2 to 3 times a day. If your legs shake, that's normal. If you feel a warm burn, that's good. It means your muscles are rebuilding. Just stay consistent. If you do this daily for 30 days, your legs will feel different, more solid, more stable, more reliable. Stick around. The bonus trick is coming in 30 seconds. The bonus trick. It doubles your results in 7 days. Here it is. Do the wall sit before any walking, climbing, or movement. Why? Because it primes your muscles, like switching on your power source before using it. When you activate your legs before moving, your steps become lighter, more stable, more controlled. And this reduces the risk of falls by up to 50% according to senior fitness experts. It also helps reduce knee pain because your muscles take over the work, not your joints. Try this for 7 days straight. You'll be shocked at how much stronger you feel. If this helped you today, don't forget to like and share it. There are so many seniors out there struggling silently with weak muscles, and this simple move might save them from a dangerous fall. Drop a comment below if you want me to make a part 2 with more gentle strength-building exercises.